Keeper is the program that we use to filter your internet at home so that we can be sure that you're safe and you're not getting inappropriate content sent to you while you're trying to do your work. So you won't be able to get on the internet at home, even if you're connected to your Wi Fi, unless you log in to Content Keeper. So, first thing we need to do is go up here where it says PHS links and go to the PHS homepage. And we will get a prompt here that says you need to log in. This is the Content Keeper login page. So we have a generic login for this. You do not use your Google account to log into this. It will not work. All right. So your generic login is LB PHS. LB as in Los Banos, PHS. All lowercase. And the password is all lowercase PHS009. So again, username LB as in Los Banos, PHS, all lowercase, and the password all lowercase PHS009. And then we log in. And that is it. Now we can use the Chromebook normally as you would at school. Okay, so that is basically how that works. Occasionally, it might be a little stubborn and not prompt you to log in. If that happens, just close the browser altogether, open it back up. So go over here to the X and just close it out and open it back up. And again, go to PHS links, PHS homepage, and it should prompt you to log in. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and thanks very much.